bro. I swear I seen this exact scene again.
Can we please stop with the damn fight scenes? Get it? It's cool, but really, no one wins with the AI fight scenes. Everyone making AI films is going to tell you, get your visuals consistent first. And I completely disagree. And it costs an hour of fighting, scripts done, generating the shot, and fighting timing the whole way because AI can't nail the timestamps. So you have to keep fixing it, everyone by hand. Because it's kind of like shooting a movie without having the damn script laid out. Or the actors. Like, hey, let's go shoot a movie and you don't even know who's going to be in it, what it's going to sound like, all that good stuff. So the foundation is, and besides the sound, the script, the messaging, and the sound carry it anyway. The visuals is just icing on the cake. But that's the part everyone is attracted to and sexy when they don't realize they're being seduced by the script and the sound, ultimately. Determines the sound, and then the sound, the voiceover, the score, sound effects, all of that, you lay it all out, and then you can map visuals to it. Because a lot of times, you're trying to be like, oh, this should take 8 seconds to say or 3 seconds to say, when in fact it takes 7 seconds to say. And if you only did 4 seconds of visuals for that part, you're kind of screwed. So it saves you time. And, visuals makes it guessing on how long every shot needs to be. And if you try to do the visuals and the dialogue together, you're just going to have issues because, number one, the voice isn't going to be consistent, which that is not the end of the world because you can just, with 11 labs, you can actually just take it all and voice change it, which is what we ended up doing. And, yeah, that's all you need to do is just do the script, the sound, which is the voiceover and the score, and then the visuals. I mean, you wouldn't want to put your pants on first without your underwear. I mean, for those of you that do wear underwear. But yes, that's kind of what it's like. And, so things is the two ways, because I've tried it, the visuals first, and then the song first. I've always worked from the song or the sound first, and I think what happens with a lot of these music videos that people are doing, it's just like, okay, it's just generic, like, oh, someone's walking with a microphone and singing, or, that one section is lip sync and they're just walking around or flying in the sky or doing another goddamn AI fight scene. Can we please stop with the damn fight scenes? Get it? It's cool, but really, no one wins with the AI fight scenes. I don't understand why people do them, but I guess that's cool. Everyone's got to have a hobby sometime, and I'll be the AI fight scene club. That would actually be fun. The AI fight scene club, because no one talks about the AI fight scene club. That's rule number 1. But great movie, by the way, and his name was Robert Paulson. So when you're doing the sound in let's say a music film, you're doing the song first, and let's say your song tells a story, which it should. It tells a story, gets across a point. You can map out like, okay, verse 1 is like 30 seconds. The hook is like at 15 seconds. And then you can kind of plan with, okay, here's what needs to be going on, but you don't need to do see and say with line for line lyrics. You can kind of just paint a story and then fill it in with what's going on in the section there. And then you have it all mapped out and you're ready to go into it. And you can be like, okay, boom, here's the 12 shots. And I'm just going to fill this in to it's 12 shots. This shot 1 is not, it needs like, it's 33 seconds. So I'm going to do like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 different renders, kind of little beats, micro beats in between each shot or whatever the hell they're called. And you have it all built out. Now, the other side, you do the visuals first and you put it all out, and then you have to have the song fit the visuals, which, By the way, Suno Studio is not the easiest to work with. And yeah, so then it's like you have it, then you have to, it's just a pain in the ass to do it that way. You'll end up saving yourself a lot of time, effort, and frustration. But if you work great with visuals first, awesome. Let me know in the comments. You could drop some hate or some love, but mainly hate. I actually love it, guys, because I'm getting more engagement from haters than people who actually like me. So if you hate me, please let me know. But it would help if you tell me why you hate me, so that way I can just know what not to give a shit about. So just please, if you hate, drop it. If you love it, like it. You could also comment as well, but I will respond to the comments. And the song runs the show. The visuals show up already knowing their job. And if you've been fighting timing or trying finishing the sound before you open the video tool, there's a bunch of us making music or crazy ass films only at Only Dan's AI. Links in the description if you want to check it out.
More punch than the dust cloud again. Spin cam, sword class, same sound again. Big ass demon yelling loud again. Bro, I swear I seen this exact scene again. Fire burst, hero lands, pose again. Crack ground, glowing eyes, close again. Different prompts, same damn show again. You ain't make shit, you just wrote it again. Dragonfly in, yeah, I know that cue. Camera shake, then the sky turn blue. Guy in black with the broken past, let me guess he gon' win that too. Yo, this one different, no it ain't. Same 5 shots, just rearrange. You made 40 while I ate all 40 look the same. You say this one's crazy, I say prove it works. You chasing that reaction, I'm asking what it's worth. Same fight, sooner than the dust cloud again. Spin cam, sword clash, same sound again. Oh, big ass demon yelling loud again. Bro, I swear I seen this exact scene again. Fire burst, hero lands, pose again. Crack ground, glowing eyes, close again. Different prompts, same damn show again. You ain't make shit, you just wrote it again. Under clips, no plan, yeah. Same loop, new brand, nah. You ain't building nothing, you just press and generate again. Same scene, same loop, same lie again. Or you finally trying to win. Only dance, build a system, not a clip. Turn a render into something that hits. Same scene, same loop, same grind again. Are you done playing pretend? Only dance. If you actually serious, stop the slop, go build something real.